Hello again and welcome back to our course on Excel 2019 Advanced. In this section I'm setting you exercise 4, and in exercise 4 you're going to do some multivariate linear regression. There are two independent variables, month and rainfall, in columns B and C, and in column D we have the dependent variable, the number of umbrellas sold in the store. So basically what I need you to do is use the LINEEST function to come up with a prediction for how many umbrellas will be sold in months 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, dependent on the rainfall figures for those months that you can see in column C. My answer for that is in the workbook exercise 4 answer. As you can see, I have a coefficient of determination there of 0.87, so about 87%, which is pretty good. One thing I didn't mention earlier on in this course, which is actually quite important, when you are creating the array to put the array formula for LINEEST into, it doesn't matter if you select an area that's too big, because any cells that LINEEST doesn't need or use just get an NA put in them. So although you can calculate, as I explained in the course, exactly what area you need, in this case I've selected F3 to H7, if you select an area that's too big, it really isn't a problem. So that's exercise 4. With any luck, you'll end up with the same predictions as me for the number of umbrellas sold. I will see you in the next section.